Welcome everybody to our channel, Patwa Tex Everyday. Patwa our language, and we feel good for share one more text with you from the Bible. Today text come from 2 Peter 2 verses 20 to 22. Listen what it says.
If nobody managed to get rid from the wickedness of the world, yeah, cause them come to know the Lord, Jesus Christ, the one we save we, and then them same one go tear up back themselves in a wickedness and make it conquer them. Them worse off now than before them did first believe and start follow Jesus. Them would have better off if they never know the right way in the first place, than for them know it and then go turn them back from what God said if they do. The said message what them did get. Them proves that the proverb them right for true. The proverb them say,
one dog turn back to white vomit up, and one pig we wash off already, gone back gone walla in the mud.
Think about this. What is a text a teach me about God?
The pretty flowers where we see them make you feel good. Everything
Oh, me can use it in my life.
and the good things where you teach we make we heart full of a joy. But what touch we have to move we have to know much love we you alone.
Oh, me can use it help other people. One way we can use it help other people is to share it with them so them can live how God tell them to live. This is how we think. God really love we, and when we serve Him, it make Him happy. So we must read Him word every day and think about it hard, then share it with people. And just remember say, when you wanna text par, it make the devil turn far.
Everything you make and give we, and the good things where you teach we, make we heart full of a joy. But what touch we are to move we, have to know much love we, you alone.